Hello everyone, in this exercise of Autocad we will understand about the rectangle command. This one, the draw panel, there are the two commands, rectangle and panel, polygon. We will see only rectangle command. In the previous exercise I have explained the line command. I will explain all the commands in the line panel. So rectangle, click here, rectangle. First, click any point in the drawing area, this one. If you draw without any dimension, you can click here, this side, this side, this side. You bring your cursor on any side, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. And if I click, this is without freehand, rectangle. Suppose, again, rectangle, click anywhere, this one. Now give the dimension of the length. Suppose 1000 mm length in one direction. Okay, press tab key for the width, 600, this one. Enter. This is the rectangle. If you note the dimension, linear dimension, this and this. D, enter, modify, fit, scale, I increase the scale 15, enter, okay, and close. We will see in detail in dimension. This is the 1000, and if I see this dimension, this and this is 600. In this way you can select. I am deleting it now. REC. You can also give the shortcut command. Shortcut REC on keyboard and enter. Now you are in the rectangle command. Okay. Now suppose you give the chamfer with chamfer, first chamfer distance, suppose 100. I am taking first chamfer distance, enter. Second chamfer distance, suppose 100 is second, enter. Okay, and specify first corner point. Now give the dimension in horizontal direction, 1000, tab key, and 600 width, this one, and enter. This is the chamfer dimension. If you note the dimension, this one, this and this dimension is including chamfer. Okay, and again this one, this dimension is 600. Okay, in this way you can make a rectangle with the chamfer dimension. Again, rectangle. Suppose this time I am taking the fillet. I am taking suppose 100 mm. 100, enter. First point, and you can give the dimensions. In this way also you select this dimension, give the first dimension. Suppose first dimension is 1000, enter. This is the width suppose 600, enter. This one. You can select the side here, this one. You can bring your cursor away and where you want to place the rectangle, location of this rectangle, in this way. You can this one, and click this one. If you measure dimension, linear, this and this, 1000. This includes the fillet radius, this dimension. Again this one, this and this. This is 600. Okay, actually these dimension include the fillets also. You please note this thing. And I am this one deleting. Now again REC. Suppose you want to give the command with the help of the on keyboard. REC is the shortcut. REC, enter. Now in the rectangle command. Now if you click, now you will see the fillet is coming, because in the in this drawing you will have to give the value fillet 0. Then you will get the corner rectangle. Okay, and I am escaping. So rectangle, fillet. Now I give the value fillet 0. This one 0, enter. Now give the center point, give the length dimension 1000, and tab key and 600. This one, enter. This one. This is the in this way. Once you are in the fillet command, when you draw the rectangle, in next time will have to press fillet 0 value. Okay, again rectangle. Suppose you want to give the rectangle. Suppose I locate the point here, and now I use the area parameter. Okay, area. Suppose I am area taking the 10,000 square units. In which unit you are working, whether it is millimeter, feet, inches, that is the 10,000 square units. Okay, enter. Now give any one dimension you can give. Select either length or width. Suppose I take width. I am taking suppose 600. This one, enter. This one. If you zoom it, and if you measure the dimension, area you want to measure, this one area, and select the object option. Object and select this. Now you will find the area is 10,000, perimeter is this one. In this way you can give the area this one. Enter, out. Now rectangle command. Now you can give the I have seen chamfer and fillet. I have seen thickness, width. I am taking width option. This one, width. Suppose width I am taking 50. Enter. First point, give the dimension, length dimension. You can also select the dimension or area in this way. Suppose dimension I am taking, dimension lengthwise I am taking 1000 and 1000. Enter. Width you can taking suppose 600. If the dimension is coming near the cursor, you can simply press the enter. Okay. And this way, this one you can give the location, this side, this way, and this. Okay, in this way you can give the. Now next time you suppose press the rectangle, so then you will have to give the width 0. Width value is 0. Then you will be in position to draw the rectangle with corner, and enter. First corner. Suppose I take the dimension, this one. Dimension 10,000. Suppose I take 600. Enter. 500 width. This one, enter. And this way, and enter. Escape. Sorry. Rectangle. This one. Dimension. If you take dimension 500, 600. Suppose 600. Enter. 500. Enter. This one, click. In this way you can measure this one. Suppose you want to draw the rectangle at angle. Rectangle and click anywhere. This one. Now rotation. Suppose you want to make the rectangle at an angle. Suppose angle is 45 degree. 45. Click. You give the side where you want to locate the. In this way, suppose this dimension is, suppose length you want to take this angle is 45 degree. You want to keep it here, this way. If you want to keep it here, give the dimension of the length 1000, for example, and tab key, and then give the 500. Width is this one, and enter. So this rectangle is at angle of 45 degree. If you measure, suppose I draw a line here, enter. If you measure the angle here, select this dimension and this dimension. This is 45 degree. And dimension you measure a linear, this and this. This with the aligned dimension actually. Aligned dimension. This one, aligned dimension 500. Aligned dimension, this is aligned dimension actually. This one, 1500. In this way you can draw the rectangle at angle of 45 degree. Okay. Delete it. Suppose I draw a line here. Okay, enter, out. Suppose you draw a rectangle at an angle of this line. Rectangle, specify point, any point you can. This rotation. Now you pick you want to draw this rectangle this at an angle of this one. So select this point, pick point, this point and this point and this one, and click in this way. This is at angle of this line. This is this one. Okay. In this way, draw the rectangle. Now another thing. Rectangle, suppose we have seen chamfer and fillet, thickness we have seen, width, thickness not be seen. Elevation actually this is used for the 3D model, 3D dimension. Suppose I take elevation, this one. Elevation I am taking, suppose 100 mm, 100, enter. Okay, and first point and the length of the dimension, you place this one here. You can locate the side, which side you want to place your rectangle. Suppose I want to place here. Length dimension, you suppose I am giving 1000, and tab key and 600, this one, and enter, this one. In this way you can, but this will not be visible in the 2D, that is the top view. So for this, you go here the left hand corner and select this one and asymmetric, this one. Suppose I take the front view of this one, this one. Now you will see this is at a height of this one. Okay, in this way you can place this one. This is actually for the 3D modeling. This height is taken as this one. If I take this one, asymmetric, this one, this. Okay, in this way, actually this is useful for the 3D modeling. Top view, this one, top view. Okay. Delete. Here you can view the change, drafting and iteration, this one. Okay, and now next time you draw the first you suppose click this one, first next time you will have to give the elevation 0, this one, elevation value you give 0. Then in that position you will draw a corner rectangle properly in the x plane. Okay, this, enter. Now I will draw this one. Now this is rotation is coming, the rectangle is coming at an angle. So also rotation you give the angle 0 angle, this one. Now it will come in the horizontal direction, this one, in this way. So in this way you can use the rectangle command. I hope you would have liked this my video. And thank you. You please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.